Hello, people. Happy Valentine's Day. We are going to do the Disney train station. My mom baked cookies today.
Start on the Disney train station.
Yep. Yeah, my mom.
Bag 8, book 4.
My mom's not gonna talk a lot because she's a little mad. So, sorry. Pretend like you didn't hear that, please.
I'm going to be doing most of the building because nobody's given me a chance to build anything.
Yeah.
So.
Almost all the building because he might need help.
Well.
And then you got the wormies, little Wormy and Miss Wormy. They're watching. Which we already got the train done over there on the shelf. So we're gonna do this now. We're gonna do probably like 2 bags.
No, we're just doing one bag.
One
bag
bag.
number 8.
Bag number 8.
Starts the bottom. The bottom of the train station. And then you build your way up to the top. Towards the top.
Yeah, which the top is probably about that big. Probably about like this tall.
It's gotta be offset.
Probably about this tall.
This one
That's
too?
kind of
Yep.
tall for a Lego set.
See,
Except Bob's
I don't usually.
frozen.
I don't do
So-
Legos.
Yeah, we
Almost
got
at
2
top.
plasterboards. Yeah. My birthday was on last Sunday, I think.
Yes, everybody knows.
Yep. And happy
This is
birthday
another
to
one?
me. Yep.
So.
This is a big steel
V
wall.
goes right here.
Big steel wall. You cannot cross, okay? Cannot cross this big wall. This big wall.
And then the long's gotta go
Can't
there.
cross that little wall. Can't cross that. These pieces, which I should
We gotta have a little
need. Right there.
corner piece. It's all that's flat without bumps. You know?
Cannot
No bumps.
that piece. You push that piece. You cannot cross that piece. Okay?
Okay.
So this must be like a step or something because it goes right here. And
Oh,
then
yeah, it
the
looks
flat
like a
piece is gonna
step.
go on the other side.
Well, this one goes.
This goes right in the corner.
You
And
press
then.
the
Is that the flat piece or
Don't go
no?
past
So the flat
that,
piece
or
goes
don't
in
go
the
past
step.
that.
It's like a step right here.
That's
Oh.
right
The
there.
other one goes right here.
That's back and don't go right past the small leg piece. You press that spec or that leg piece. Okay, okay.
Is that dark gray? One of those. And then that goes.
Ow.
2 of these. Okay. And then this one.
That trick. We have Tsum Tsums behind the curtains.
We
And
do.
on the shelf thing, they can't see. And right next, the
Where's that?
window's right
Oh.
there. And you guys can't see.
And then the yellow one goes here.
Ooh.
Looks like it, yeah. Come on. There you go.
Is it on there? I can't tell.
Oh, it goes right there. It's overlapping.
Here?
Yep.
Okay, we'll be back when we do more steps here.
Okay, we're done with this.
With the bag 8, that was
Yep.
pretty fast.
And it's the
bottom of the train station, like
Yep,
the
the
foundation,
board.
the
This
plat.
would be like, this
Board.
would be like the entrance area.
Yeah, the platform.
Yeah. the platform, which, what's the yellow piece for?
That's for another bag.
That piece
For another bag.
Wait,
Oh,
It is for another bag, Mark.
this must have been the entrance. Is that what you said? The entrance.
What?
So.
Don't.
as I
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Clark's full of anxiousness tonight. So. I did pretty much almost all of the building because I haven't been able to do the building.
yeah.
So maybe Mommy will get to do more another night.
That'd be a lucky day.
We're gonna wait and do bag 9 for next Sunday, and bag 9 we keep
Which will
keep-
probably be a week.
building up from the bottom of the station. And look who's in bag 9, Goofy. So that's exciting. So stay tuned for next Sunday.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll be putting bag 9, part 9 together.
Hey, yay.
Happy Sunday, everybody. Have a good week. Always stay humble and kind. Bye.